Hey guys, welcome back. Now let's get started with our day 2 walkthrough. Let's see the learning objectives, get an introduction to what data science involves and how it can be applied in cybersecurity, get a general introduction to Python, get to work with some popular Python libraries such as pandas and matplotlib to crunch data, help Meg Honeybell establish an understanding of Antarcticraft's network. Data science. The core element of data science is interpreting data to answer questions. Data science often involves programming, statistics, and recently the use of AI to examine large amounts of data to understand the trends and patterns and help businesses make predictions that lead to informed decisions. The roles and responsibilities of a data scientist include data collection, data processing, data mining, analysis, and communication. So, data science in cybersecurity. The use of data science is quickly becoming more frequent in cybersecurity because of its ability to offer insights. Analyzing data such as log events lead to an intelligent understanding of ongoing events within an organization. Using data science for anomaly detection is an example. Other uses of data science in cybersecurity include CM, threat trend analysis, and predictive analysis. Introducing Jupyter Notebooks. Jupyter Notebooks are open source documents containing code, text, and terminal functionality. They are popular in the data science and education communities because they can be easily shared and executed across systems. Additionally, Jupyter Notebooks are a great way to demonstrate and explain proof of concept in cybersecurity. Jupyter Notebooks can be considered as instruction manuals. As you will come to discover, a notebook consists of cells that can be executed one at a time, step by step. You will see an example of the Jupyter Notebook in a screenshot below. So as you can see here, cells act just like an interpreter. You can use multiple cells. And these are basically the tutorial to show you how to use this. So let's skip this and let's go into the walkthrough. Okay, so we have to find here how many packets were captured, what IP addresses send the most amount of traffic during the packet capture, and the most frequent protocol. Now let's start our machine. You can click here on the file icon and you can go through these files before you start with the capstone. First one is Introduction to Python, then Introduction to Pandas, Introduction to Matplotlib. Now let's go into the capstone. So here you have to select and run through each of the cells. So here we are importing pandas and we are importing matplotlib. Let's run this. Now here we are creating a data frame and we are reading the CSV file into it. And here the df.head command prints the first 5 entries. Let's run this. Question 2. Here you will need to use the pandas count function on the data frame. For example, dataframe.count. So this is simple. So as you can see here, we have used df for data frame. So let's type in df.count. It's as simple as that. Now let's run this. So as you can see here, the packet number is 100 here. Let's enter our first answer. Question 3. Here you can perform a group by functions with pandas size function on the source and the destination columns. Remember, the data frame in this notebook is called df, not data frame. Check the hint on the tryhackme if you're stuck. So the question here is to find the IP address which has the most traffic. So here we have to perform the group by functions on the source and the destination columns here. Square brackets, source, and destination dot size. Now let's run this. So as you can see here, it is 10.10.1.4. Now let's move on to our next question. Question 4. Here you can use the pandas values.counts on the appropriate column. Remember, we are counting how many values are there in the protocol column. So let's go ahead and see the protocol column. So this is the column. So now let's type in df dot square brackets protocol dot value dot counts. Now let's run this. And let's take a hint from here. So it is not value dot counts, it's value underscore counts. So let's do it again. Now let's run this. So here the dot is not there. So it will be df protocol dot value underscore counts. Let's run this. So as you can see here, the most frequent protocol is ICMP. Now let's type in the answer here. Now we have successfully completed the day 2 task. Thank you for watching my video. Stay tuned for more.